Question number 6. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Set B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. And let the function is 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6 be a function. A एक function है. From A to B, show that f is 1, 1 or not. By solution, a given set of element A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. The function is f is equal to 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. This function is 1, 1. In by mapping, set of element A is 1, 2, 3. Set of element B is 4, 5, 6, 7. From A to B, 1 का इमेज 4 है, 2 का इमेज 5 है, 3 का इमेज 6 है. The function is 1, 1. F of 1 is equal to 4, f of 2 is equal to 5, f of 3 is equal to 6. It is seen that the images distinct elements of A under F are distinct. Question number 7. In each of the following case, state whether the function is 1, 1, onto or bisective. Justify your answer. First question is f from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3 minus 4x. The following these two functions are 1, 1, onto or bisective. What is bisective? When function satisfies 1, 1 and onto is called bisective. See one by one. Question 1. F from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. 1, 1. Let x1, x2 belongs to R such that f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. f of x1 is equal to f of x2. f of x is 3 minus 4x. f of x1 is 3 minus 4x1. f of x2 is 3 minus 4x2. Here 3 minus 4x1 is equal to f of x2 is 3 minus 4x2. LHS RHS same value get cancelled. 3 plus 3 get cancelled. Minus 4x1 is equal to minus 4x2. Then minus 4 cancelled. x1 is equal to x2. Therefore function f is 1, 1. Second, onto. Let y belongs to codomain is real number. There exists x belongs to domain is real number such that f of x is equal to y. Here the f of x function is 3 minus 4x is equal to y. Here we find x value, then minus 4x is equal to y minus 3. Therefore 4x is equal to 3 minus y. X is equal to 3 minus y divided by 4. This is belongs to real number. To take y real numbers, then its value belongs to x. Taking f on both sides, therefore f of x is equal to f of 3 minus y divided by 4. The function is f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. When x replace z, you get 3 minus 4z. Here also f of x replace 3 minus y by 4. You get 3 minus 4. Then x is 3 minus y divided by 4. 4 get cancelled. Then minus value multiply to bracket, you get 3 minus 3 plus y minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled y. Therefore f of x is equal to y. The function is onto. Therefore f is onto. Hence f is a bisective function. Function is 1 1 onto or bisective. When function satisfy both 1 1 and onto, the function is bisective. One more question. Let A and B be sets. Show that f from A cross B to B cross A such that function f of A comma B is equal to B comma A is bisective function. The function is 1 1 onto. दोनों satisfy होगा तो the function is bisective. Okay, see solution. Given f from A cross B to B cross A defined by f of A comma B is equal to B comma A. 1 1 let A1 B1 and A2 B2 belongs to A cross B such that f of A comma B is equal to B comma A. Next, f of A1 B1 is equal to f of A2 B2. One definition is f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Here f of A comma B is B comma A. f of A comma B क्या होता है? f of A1 B1. f of A comma B is f of A2 B2. f of A1 B1 is equal to f of A2 B2. When f of A comma B is B comma A. f of A1 B1 is B1 A1 is equal to f of A comma B is B comma A. f of A2 B2 is B2 A2 implies B1 is equal to B2 and A1 equal to A2 implies B1 A1 is equal to B2 A2. Therefore, f is 1 1. See, the function is onto let y belongs to f from x to y. Here y is b cross a. There exists x belongs to a cross b such that f of a comma b is b comma a. By definition, f is onto. Therefore, f is onto. Hence, function is bisecting. Question number 9. Let f from n to n defined by f of n is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd. When natural number is odd, you take the function is n plus 1 by 2. When natural number is even, the function is n by 2. State whether the function f is bisective. Justify your answer. Solution. Given f from n natural number to natural number defined by f of n is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 if n is even. For r, n belongs to natural number. 1 1. Let 1 comma 2 belongs to natural numbers. 1. If n is odd, the function is n plus 1 by 2. F of 1 is equal to 1 is odd, then substitute in this function. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 2 by 2 is equal to 1. F of 2 is even, you substitute. When n is even, you take the function n by 2. Here this one is 2 by 2 is equal to 1. F of x1 is 1. F of x2 is 2. x1 is not equal to x2. Therefore, the function is not 1 1. F of 1 is equal to f of 2 is equal to 1. Here 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore, f is not 1 1. The function onto function. Case one, if n is odd, then 2n minus 1 is odd. Therefore, the function f of 2n minus 1, when n is odd, you take the function n plus 1 by 2. Here, f of n is n plus 1 by 2 is 2n minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 2n by 2 2 to cancel. F of 2n minus 1 is equal to n. Case 2, if n is even, then 2n is even. F of 2n is equal to, when n is even, if n is even, then 2n is also even. The even function is n by 2. Therefore 2n by 2, 2 to cancel n, hence therefore f is onto, hence f is not bisecting.